Hello, kindergarten. It's Mrs. Merritt. Today we're going to do Module 2, Lesson 8. And our objective is I can describe positions of solid shapes. We're going to use those positional words, just like we did with the flat shapes, with our solid 3D shapes. Okay? So to warm up today, we're going to do a positional word activity with our hands. So we're going to play a little game of Simon Says. Simon says, put your hand beside your ear. Awesome. Simon says, put your hand above your head. Simon says, put your hand below your chin. Simon says, put your hand behind your head. Simon says, put your hand in front of your face. Great job reviewing above, below, in front of, behind, and beside. Those are going to come in really handy today. Before we get into our positional words, though, the activity to go with them, we're going to do a little warm-up and get familiar with our shapes again, because it's only day 3 of our solid shapes. So what I want you to do is pause me, and I want you to find all the cylinders on this page. You can point to them, and then when you unpause, we'll go over and we'll see if we got the same answers. How many cylinders did you find? I found 1, 2, 3. I found the 3D version in 2 cans that looked like cylinders. Is that what you got? Great job! Let's go on to our next shape. I want you to pause me, and I want you to find all the cubes this time. Remember, a cube is like our candle. It's got the 6 faces. Go ahead, pause me, and find those cubes. How many cubes did you find? Let's see if we found the same ones. 1, a block. 2, the dice. And 3, the 3D picture of a cube. Did you find all of them? Awesome job! I meant to also tell you, when I give you a shape, instead of looking at the picture, if you want, you can pause me and go around your house and find a cube or whatever shape I give you. That's another option. Okay? So now you can either look at the picture and find all the cones, or you can go around your house and find an example of a cone. Okay, go ahead. Okay, how many cones did you get? Let's count how many I got and see if we got the same. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at, there's a party hat and an ice cream cone. Ice cream sounds really good right now. It is hot out today. And for our last shape review, I want you to show me all the spheres. Either go find a sphere in your house or find them on the page. Go ahead and pause me and then come back when you're ready. So I know in my house I have a toddler, a little girl, and we have a lot of spheres. We have a lot of balls. So we just got this ball pit, and there's a bunch of different different colored balls. That's the spheres that you would find around my house. What did you find? That's so cool. Let's see how many we found on the page. 1, 2, 3. All right, great job with our warm-up. Now we're going to talk about those positional words. And how we're going to play this game is I'm going to tell you a shape, and you're going to just show me above, below, beside, behind, or in front of, okay? So you're going to use your hands. Okay, I want you to pretend to put the cone above the cube. So what one's a cone? Can you show me a yes or a no when I get to the cone? That's a cylinder. That's a sphere. It's a cone, yeah. Can you show me above? We have to put the cone above the cube. Okay, I can do that. Did I do it? Yeah. Put the sphere beside the cone. We need a sphere. Which one's a sphere? How does it go? Does it have straight sides or curved sides? Curved sides. Is this it? It is. We need to put it beside the cone. So can you put your hand beside your face to help me? So here's beside, but beside the cone. Not here, right? No. What about up here? Yeah. Then we need to put our cylinder below the cube. Can you show me below on your face? Where's below? Right down here. Great job. I'm going to move it down here. Okay, you're rocking positional words. Let's keep going. We have to put the cube next to cylinder. Can you put your hand next to your face? Beside your face? Next to or beside. Can you tell me when I get to the cube with a yes or a no? No, that's a cone. It's a sphere. Here's our cube. Remember, it's got the 6 square faces? We need to put it next to the cylinder. Does that look right? Great. Thanks for your help. Now we need to put the sphere behind the cube. Behind. What does behind look like? Does it look like this? Behind. So we need to put our sphere. Does our sphere have curved lines or straight lines? Curved lines. So it must be this one, right? Yeah. We have to put it behind the cube. So watch. Here's my cube. I'm going to put my cube or my sphere behind my cube. Ooh. Now we have to put our cone below the cylinder. Can you show me below on your face? Below. Very good. Let's go on to our next problem. You guys are really, really good with these positional words. Okay, so now we're going to play a game using our positional words, but we have to figure out what shape they are talking about, okay? So, our first clue. I am the solid or 3D shape below the cylinder. What am I? So looking at this picture, can you point to on your screen what shape is below the cylinder? Below. So if my face is the cylinder, it's going to be the shape below the cylinder. Okay, so here's our cylinder. What shape is below the cylinder? Is it a sphere? Is it a cube? Yes, that is directly below the cylinder. Okay, next question. I am the solid or 3D shape above the cube. So here's my cube. What's above my cube in my picture? Is it the cone? The picture is above the cone? Or is it the cylinder? The cylinder. Amazing. Okay. I am the solid next to the cube. Next to or beside. Is it the cylinder? No. Is it the cone? No. Is it the sphere? Yes. I am the solid below the cube. Okay, so here's my cube. Below the cube. What's below the cube? Is it the cone? Yeah, look at. Here's the cube, and below the cube is the cone. Okay. That was so much fun. Let's do one more game of that. Okay, here is our first hint. Looking at the picture, which is down here, I am the solid behind the cylinder. So what is behind our cylinder in our picture? Is it the cone? No. Is it the sphere behind the cylinder? The sphere is behind the cylinder in my picture. I am the solid or 3D shape above the sphere. So you have your sphere. In our picture, what is above our sphere? Is it the cube? Our cube is beside. Is it the cone? Yes. Look at my picture. Here's my sphere. Here is the cone. I am the solid next to or beside the cylinder. What's next to or beside our cylinder? Is it a cube? Yes. Very good. I am the solid in front of the sphere. What's in front of the sphere? Here's your sphere. What's in front of it? Is it the cone? Is it the cylinder? Yes, your cylinder is in front of your sphere. You guys are doing a remarkable job with 3D shapes and positional words. Today, we reviewed our 3D shapes: cone, cylinder, sphere, and cube. And we also worked with positional words like above, below, beside, in front of, and behind. So for today's exit ticket, it is a Google form. I cannot wait to see what you learned. Every day I look so forward to seeing these because you're just doing amazing work and it makes me so happy. So keep up the great work and I will see you tomorrow.